This is Caleb WV1 back again with another Iron Man 2 Concept Series Iron Man review, this time of Sandstorm Armor Iron Man. This one is really cool. He has some dry brush kind of war look to him a little bit. He also comes with a backpack that when you push the button his wings expand. He has all the same articulation. His shoulder pads are a little different, but he's got the double jointed elbows, ball jointed wrists, double jointed knees, the same hip issues. He's got these weird little fins on his arms and legs. Very cool figure. Ball jointed head. He can look almost straight up. Waist articulation slightly rotates. All the good stuff. Please rate, comment, and then subscribe. Thanks for watching.